This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renae Anderson. All brick 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home west/screened and back porch, circular driveway and custom cabinets west/pull-out drawers, just to mention a few of the upgrades. Large master has double vanities, tiled shower and jetted tub. Large laundry room west/cabinets and mud sink. Spacious bonus room upstairs west/a walk-in closet. Gutters, central vac, granite countertops, engineered with stairs leading to the bonus room, privacy fence, are a few more awesome upgrades. For more information, review the details below or contact Renae Anderson at 478-390-7690.